So this is the Beefy Boys Burger at Home kit, and it comes with these amazing rolls, some wonderful aged beef mince, some great bacon, Swiss cheese and American cheese, and comes with a range of condiments. First thing we're going to do is get the bacon on. And I've got a hot griddle set up. I'm going to cut the ball in half to give me 2 smash patties onto a hot plate. Sprinkle of salt and pepper and garlic over the top. Smash the life out of them. That is how you do a Beefy Boys burger at home.